So we got the banner.
Oh, perfect.
You got to sign it.
Oh, geez. Is it weird that I signed Uncle Jessy instead of my name? That's like super odd.
How you doing? I'm Kevin Volo from the 3D Printed Props. This is my Red Hood helmet I made. Squeeze this guy out.
Oh, that is so awesome. Very cool. Wait, you're Uncle Jessy?
Hi, I'm Uncle Jessy. This is my booth.
That's awesome. I've wanted to meet you for so long.
Well, me too.
Surprise! Just a little face reveal, that's all.
Here with Clayton the man.
How you doing? This is pretty crazy here. I just can't believe how many booths and people all about 3D printing. It's wild. It's wild. Lots of printers. There's a ton of printers here.
That was your measurement. Tell me about that. Because I watched your video.
Yeah.
Tell me about it. Why you designed it.
All right. The problem is when you want to make a helmet for cosplay or armor, you never know what the size you need to print at. So with this, it's easier than taking a ruler and trying to measure your head or shoving your head in a door to get a measurement. You can use these calipers here to get how wide you need to go, and then you just measure the distance there, and then you can scale your prints to match
So
them.
are you able to tighten it up so it doesn't move once you make your measurement?
You can pinch it with your hands.
So you hold it.
Iteration number 2 will be that.
No, that's cool.
Or the idea.
That's what we do. As
Iterate
makers,
on
that's
this.
what we do.
You
We
just iterate on it. That's
iterate
right.
a lot of stuff.
That's right.
All right, so here's my interview.
That's a beautiful interview.
Tell me your story.
I have no story.
Yes, you do.
I just make wild stuff. Whatever I'm interested in printing, hopefully everybody else is interested.
No, but you're riding waves. Come on, bro. You got a science. You did Batman at the right time.
No. What happened with Batman was Carmelo Nazario is like the wizard of making awesome cosplay files. I saw his Batman file and immediately had to figure out how I was going to print that, and it kind of blew up at one point after I made that. At the time, I don't think anybody was really making full-size helmets on a 3D printer. You had to make it in a whole bunch of different parts, glue it together, and so I made a video showing how I was going through that process, and it kind of blew up. And that's how I met Carmelo, and love that dude, and I wish you could have been here. Carmelo, you should be here, man. You should be here. But yeah, I mean, anything that I'm interested in printing, I kind of try and make, and then hopefully show what works and what doesn't work, and then help educate or just have fun with the audience when I'm making videos. If I'm not enjoying it, then it's not going to be something that I share with everybody else, and there's probably a lot of projects that I have scrapped in the process. But yeah, it's just a fun little thing to do on the side here and share with folks. So hopefully they're watching occasionally.
So the one thing I liked about Uncle Jessy, he was the first person I talked to about 3D printing on YouTube. I connected with you. I don't know if you remember. You had the CR10, or you were thinking about getting the I forget, you were right around that time.
Okay.
And I'm like, I'm gonna get this printer. Oh wait, I changed my mind, I'm gonna get the Prusa. And you were like, man, I want the Prusa.
I still want a Prusa.
That was like back in January
I have
or
a
December.
fund that I was just joking about that I have to put some more money in there to get a Mark III Prusa. That thing is a beast.
III, yep.
The beast of all beasts.
I only got one printer. I think I'm the only guy with one printer.
If they just would have made that printer, if they make it just a little bit bigger, I'd be really happy with it. Right now, I need it as big as I can print things. The bigger the better.
Very good.
Yeah, man.
Thank you for the interview.
I'll have to pop by and see you later.
Yeah, I'm going to bring stickers down too.
Oh, perfect.
All right. Good talking to you, brother.
It still smells. Oh, I really didn't mean to kick you out.
Yeah, you did.
My judgment is off.
There we go.
I got the camera. Oh God! Oh no! We're like, hurry before he gets back.
We're gonna run over and use your. I was like, how do I turn on this one on electricity?
We need the good background.